Hi Srini, thank you so much for this opportunity. There is this little girl in America in the early 60s who was affected with a very rare variety of a polio disease. The doctor said to the mother that this little girl cannot stand anymore, please get her a comfortable chair. With a lot of agony and frustration, the mother goes and tells to her daughter, I want you to walk. Something in the eyes of this mother ignited this little girl, and the girl said, yes mom, I would also want to walk. The mother prepares a rigorous training schedule for this girl. It is said she used to practice for 12 hours a day, non-stop, for not 1 or 2 weeks, but for 4-5 years. And there was a day when she used to stand with the support. The doctor said that this little girl cannot stand up, but she started walking. There was a race in her hometown, and she goes to her mom and says to her mom, Mom, I would like to participate in this race. The mom said, you can participate, but remember, you're not a normal child, so if you don't win, don't come and cry. This girl went and participated and came last. There was another race, she went and participated, she came last. There was another race, she went and participated, she came last. She kept on losing, but this little girl never stopped running. And one fine day, this girl didn't come last, she came second last. And finally, there was a day in 1960 in the Rome Olympics when this little girl won the National Olympics. I'm speaking about a girl called Wilma Rudolph. And she says in an interview, the doctor said, I cannot walk, but my mom said I can. Thank God, I believe my mom. This is the determination I wanted to talk to you about today. Let's take a very known example of a unicorn, Flipkart. Sachin Bansal, who was the founder of Flipkart, way in 2006, was a normal software engineer working in an on-site company called Amazon. Today, in a span of just 15 years, he's worth 15,000 crores. That is called determination. Everybody sitting here in this room, I believe, have that determination to achieve whatever you believe you can. There is a very famous quote that says, what you think you become. And I think to achieve that, determination takes you to the point A to point B. How Wilma Rudolph, a polio affected little girl, was able to do something that none of us imagined. I'm sure everyone sitting in this room with the right determination can do something that you always dreamt of and make sense to your journey of entrepreneurship. I wish you a great financial year 21-22. Thank you so much.